we've got a bit of a problem today because you, in your little rowing boat, were rowing down the river and you want to get your 3 items across the river. Now, we've got a little bit of a problem because you can only take one at once, and if you leave the goat and the wolf alone together, the wolf's going to eat the goat. If you leave the goat and the cabbage alone together, the goat is going to eat the cabbage. So if you can only take one thing at once, how can we get these things across? So for example, you might decide to take the cabbage across first. So if we do that, to the other side, then leave the cabbage at that side. Then you can go back, but oh dear, you would have found that the wolf has eaten the goat by this stage. So we can't just take the cabbage across. That won't work. Okay, so we need to find out how to do it. I'm sure this is a problem that you've perhaps come across before. So if you want to have a go at it and see what's the smallest amount of trips across the river you can do it in, then that would be fantastic. If you want to hang about just now, I will put the solution in a minute and you can see how to do it, and I'll also be posting yesterday's solution. So anyway, here we go. So let's go back over to the other side of the river, and the first thing we're going to do is pick up the goat, because we can take the goat because that leaves the wolf and the cabbage, and the wolf won't eat the cabbage. So away we go. We take the goat across, leave the goat there. Back we go. Check that everything's still okay. Yep, the wolf has not eaten the cabbage. Then we're going to pick up, let's see, the wolf. So take the wolf across this time. Over he goes. And leave him at that side. Then back we go. Oh, now we can't go back with just now, can we? Because we can't leave the wolf and the goat. So let's take the goat with us. There we go. Let's drop the goat off. Oh, there you go. Let's pick up the cabbage. And let's take the cabbage across. So there it is, drop the cabbage off. We can do that because the wolf won't eat it. Then back we go in our little rowing boat to pick up the goat. And then back we go, and everybody's home in time for tea. Okay, so the moves there, I'm just going to keep the boat out of this because it makes things a bit complicated, but let's leave the boat up there. So the moves were, take the goat across first, because you can leave the wolf and the cabbage. Then come back, pick up the cabbage, take it across, pick up the goat because you can't leave it, bring that back across, pick up the wolf, take that across, come back with nothing, and then take the goat across. Okay, so well done if you managed how to do that, and I will also post the solution to yesterday's. See you later.